pirates coming, better guard your block. Fear is your god. Tick tock, tick tock. Follow and obey. The storm won't stop. Here comes the panic. Hurry, pop your
Making his way to the ring from Germany, weighing in at 221 pounds, the WCW United States
Big match coming up here, Corey, as it's now time for Hell in a Cell.
And when the bell rings, you can bet we'll witness carnage like we've never seen before.
in the shadows, ready to unload. Bow to the pirate, the chaos mode. Panic pirates coming, on the prey. Fear is your preacher, night and day. Follow and obey, no exercise. Here comes the panic pirate, make way. Cool in the shadows, ready to unload. Bow to the pirate, the chaos mode. Panic pirates coming, on the prey. Fear is your preacher, night and day. Follow and obey, no exercise.
Pure gold.
and his opponent from Hollywood, California, weighing in at 232 pounds, the WCW World Heavyweight Champion Golddust.
Erratic. Strange. What an entrance. It's mesmerizing. It's intoxicating.
You can feel the electricity running through this arena. This is going to be some battle. One-on-one, mano-a-mano.
Guys, this cell is absolutely gigantic. Just looking at it makes me happy I'm retired.
You know, even though the title is not on the line, this is still an important match for the champ. He can't afford to show any weakness here.
Lariat. What impact! Got him up! Nailed it! Uh-oh! Softening them up with some jabs. Here. Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
Golddust feeling the pressure now. This could be the start of an ugly downward spiral if he's not careful.
If this is the only damage he walks away from this match with, Cole, he should consider himself very lucky. But let's face it, that's just not going to happen. Not when you're inside the cell.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Harsh impact. Oof. Ooh, what impact. Boom.
Golddust beginning to breathe a little heavy now. I'm not sure how much more he has to give.
This cell has a way of changing people forever. Oh, man. And I can't help but think he's never going to be the same again after this one.
You know, I thought this match was going to be much more tightly contested. I guess that's not the case, though.
Lightning fast reflexes. Golddust is taking on a lot of damage. I'm not sure how much is left in the tank. It just doesn't seem to be his night tonight, guys.
Oh, nasty impact.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Beautiful technique.
He's starting to stagger a bit. He's still got plenty of gas left in his tank, though. Here it comes. He's got him.
He's looking shaky. This could be the end.
Before putting on the gold latex, the face paint, and the blonde wig, Golddust was known as Dustin Rhodes, the son of iconic WWE Hall of Famer, the American Dream Dusty Rhodes. As Dustin, he was known as a great tag team competitor and contender for many singles championships. As Golddust, well, things went to another level.
Boom! That wasn't just an uppercut, that was 24 carats.
Dustin Rhodes has spoken extensively on the pressures of trying to step out of his father's shadow. The persona of Golddust came at the perfect time for the son of the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes.
Golddust has said in various interviews that it took him about 9 months to finally be comfortable as Golddust. But he knew once the gold face paint was applied that the idea of Dustin Rhodes in the ring was a thing of the past.
Here he goes.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Goldust is an expert in mental and
Going for the big one. This might be it.
Oh my, but he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Oh, and he releases the hold.
wow. Part of me thought that was it, Cole.
Looking for the finish.
The end is near for him.
Golddust can attack an adversary in so many ways. If an opponent is unable to block out the Bizarre One's assault on their psyche, Golddust will become that individual's worst nightmare.
Golddust likes to distract his opponents with peculiar behavior, so an opponent must find a way to ignore those types of antics, regardless of how bizarre and alarming they may be, and focus on defeating Golddust, the competitor.
When this guy's on, look out. He's on the defensive now. I'd say he's starting to feel the pressure a bit.
If he doesn't find a way to mount a sustained offense soon, you can bet this Hell in a Cell match will be over.
Counter here.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
And look at, nailed it. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. Shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Yes. Send him up for the... These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook. Oh, there's more in their arsenal. Yeah. I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it. You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that.
Oh, turn down the lights. Kick everybody out.
This one is over.
Now Golddust needs to capitalize on this opportunity.
He's not going to like this.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Chaos. Melee. Pandemonium. Oh my gosh.
And there it is, boys.
That one landed, that's for sure. Harsh impact.
I really can't believe what's gone down so far. This match has been even more physical than I thought it would be.
Golddust gets out of the way quickly.
These superstars have tried everything. They have something left in their arsenal. They have to, but can they dig down deep enough to find it? Taking on any more damage. Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
There's got to be some point in the match where those thoughts start to go. Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
A minor miracle might be needed to overcome this beating. And there's his speed paying off. I don't know how much more damage one person could take. I don't care how tough you are. I can't believe this one's still going on, especially after the beating that's been delivered tonight. And that's it, the final cut.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
That'll knock you silly, that's for sure.
The longer this fight goes on, the more wear and tear on each competitor. Who is going to have enough to pick up the win?
Oh boy, he is rolling.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men.
We know leaping high. Can he finish him off here?
Things just went from bad to worse for Golddust.
He's looking at it. He's got the sleeper locked in. The sleeper hold is locked in.
This could be it. This one's over, guys.
Wow, he lets him out of the hold.
Strange game plan for sure, but hey, maybe he has something even bigger and badder planned.
Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to improve.
Both of these superstars looking a little worse for wear right now.
An amazing match so far, guys, but it looks to me like we're possibly nearing the end here. The intensity of this match has been incredible. Golddust doing a great job of turning that around. Boom, what impact! An atomic drop!
That'll jar your spine.
Another!
They're not done yet.
Oh, atomic drop! Incredible agility!
How these superstars are even still in this match is beyond me, especially given how intense the match has been.
Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
The battle wounds are visible on these superstars right now as this Hell in a Cell match somehow continues. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Here it comes, he's got him.
He's teetering on the edge here. This might just be one of the most intense Hell in a Cell matches I've seen in quite some time, guys.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle. He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
Whoa! Looks like both these superstars have found
Jumping, leaping attack.
That might just be the...
He's got him covered. 1, 2, 3. He wins. I can't believe it. He survived this journey through hell. Now let's take a look back at some of the great action.
Here is your winner, the Pig, Carl.
Kicking off tonight with an impressive victory.
And if that match is any indication of what to expect here tonight, we are in for an amazing evening.
What a way to kick off tonight. Don't go anywhere, folks.